again. Hello everyone. Well, Whispers of the Old God is out, and we are going to do some pack opening. I'm actually pretty excited about this one. So yeah, I figure around 80 packs. I'm not the big, I'm a poor guy, so I cannot afford any more packs than that. But yeah, I just logged onto my account here, so let's see what we need to have here. Okay, it's this. Oh yeah, of course. The Year of the Kraken. Yeah, that's the Kraken, new standard. Year of the Kraken, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Okay.
You've got some standard decks, but you can always create more in your collection.
Yeah. We're going to do that a little bit later, but for now, 50. Yeah. I also have some older packs. It's actually thick. Ooh. Yeah. Of course, Katoon. Welcome to my humble deck, humble collection. Thank you. Wow. Reckoner of Evil. Okay. Cool. I also got some packs we're going to open first. I actually think that I'm going to save up my packs once a week, so one of the videos I do once a week, we're opening packs before the normal video starts. Yeah, but this one is totally dedicated to opening packs, so well, let's spend some in-game gold. Do I need to click? Can't I buy like 10 at a time or something? No? Oh yeah, cool. So we are going to buy 20. That's 2,000, of course. There we go. Okay, let's bump it up 2 more. So we have an even 80 here. There we go. Almost all my gold is gone, but I got 80 packs with, yeah. Okay, let's go for it. I got 2 quests anyway, so let's buy 4 more. There we go. And we have 80 new packs, and we start with this one first. Something I won or arenas or yeah. I think I got all of this anyway. Sorry, I need to do a light hovering over. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Well, let's start the insanity. Oh god. Yeah? No, nothing. Come on, show me some epics. Come on, I need epics. Mythics, Epics, and Legendaries. I'll be happy. Oh, there we go. There we go. Dark Speaker. Golden one also. Nice. Oh yeah. Isn't that the one that everybody hates? I think so. So yeah. Only 8 packs in though. Oh yeah. Nice one of the golden cards to me. Oh, Selfless Hero. Oh yeah. I think a lot of players actually predicted this as a GG card for Paladin, but yeah, time will show. Give a random friendly minion Divine Shield. No, it was not that one. It was another one. So like, give Divine Shield to every 1/1 or so. I don't remember. But Selfless Hero, we got it. We go 2 of them. Come on, give me something here. Show me potato salad. Oh yeah, baby. Faceless Scrambler. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh my god, one more epic. Destroy me and add this attack. Health to cartoons. Whatever it is. Okay, cool. 9. Okay, cool. One more epic. They're nice with epics to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Forbidden Flame. Cool. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nothing. Oh yeah, more epics. Cabala's Tomb. Okay, cool. Oh, also some. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Give me a legendary. 2 rares, okay, good. That any day of the week.
Golden common.
Yeah, golden common. Okay, almost done with the hard-earned packs. Yeah, okay, got 2 of those. Cool. Call of the Wild. Oh my god. One more. Has there been 2 golden epics till now? Until now? I think so. Yeah. Okay. that was the hard-earned packages. Yeah, lots of arena, lots of questing, but yeah, let's start on the really hard-earned, hard-earned cash. Come on. Come on, come on. It's like a casino. Come on. I want. Whoa!
Legendary.
Yeah. The next spell. Oh yeah. What's the? Yeah. What's the Warlock card? Okay, well, one legendary. Go, okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I got 2 dooms. Hooray! 1 golden, 1 not golden, but still. Can make a doom deck. Yeah, this one is also a bit. I want to try. I've made a Battlecry Shaman. It's a mid-range Battlecry Shaman. It actually worked out pretty well in the start of. Oh no, sorry, after the Explorers League. Maybe I'll try to do something with a Shaman. That's not the Fish Shaman. Who likes to play Fish Shaman, yeah?
Golden Comet. Rare. Golden Rare.
Okay, 2 of Cold Wild. Okay, come on, come on. Show me potato salad. I want more.
Golden Comet.
Yeah. At least. It's at least hoping for at least 2 more legendaries. Come on. Of course, I have enough dust to craft the legendary cards I really want, so yeah. Come on. Okay, we're halfway done with the packs. Work with my hard-earned money. Come on, come on, come on! No! Give me something.
Golden Comet.
Echo Medivh for warriors, almost. Yeah. The cards that have gone from this number, I would say Echo Medivh is the one I'm going to miss the most. So it has some cool effects. You can play some really cool decks with it, but yeah. Maybe I can make a Echo Warrior then. With the faceless Echo thing. I don't remember the name right now, but yeah. Come on. Not very nice with legendaries. Yeah. Only got one legendary. Blood Warriors. What's the name of the card? Come on, give me something now, come on. At least one more. There's only 10 more packs left. I thought it was like a pity counter. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. With my RNG luck, I bet you it's exactly the same card I already got. No. Oh yeah. 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 Cool. Okay. Now I'm happy again. Salt is gone. I was hoping for 3, but I was... Yeah. 2 was the one I was knowing that I... 2 was the one I hoped for, but I begged for 3 legendaries, but yeah, it looks like... Okay, still have 5 more packs though. Come on. I think I got a lot of Apex though. Okay. Come on, shit. Last package, come on. Show me potato salad. Nothing. Okay. 2 legendaries. It's okay. I was really hoping for 3 legendaries though, but it's okay. It's okay. I will do some playing right now, and I will show you the 3 or 4 more packs that I will edit in a little bit later. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, okay. Now I farmed 10 last packs that we get for free by Blizzard, so, well, let's open those too. So we're up to 90 new packs. Bad. Bad. Yeah, I'm not expecting anything. Ooh, another epic. Okay. One epic, 6 more packs to go. Come on. If I only can get 1 legendary, I'll be very happy by the 10 less packs, but yeah. I used some dust to craft the Yogg-Saron, and that card has actually won me 2 games by games I normally would have lost, so yeah. It's actually quite good. A lot of random shit, but if you played a lot of spells, it actually normally clears the board. That's my first experience though about it. I haven't tested like 100 times, so I only tested like 5 times, I think. Only one. Yeah. Those packs sucked ass. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. And take care. Bye.